Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can leave a feedback in the Trusted Housesitters application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down, and at the very end you will see the have a feedback on the app section. So just click on that. And as you can see, there are 3 ways to leave a feedback. So you can either send them an email, you can talk to them through this mobile phone, and you can also visit the help center and just provide further feedback there. So just click on whichever is most suitable for you, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.